Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Great. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for that introduction. Joanna is right. In my 40 weeks, which includes holidays and so on and so forth, I've now visited about 45 companies and learned a lot about the manufacturing culture as well as ecosystem in Connecticut. Thank you very much for having me here to this grand opening. Congratulations to the entire Chapco team and the leadership team for this major expansion and investment in advanced manufacturing state-of-the-art facility here. Your investment reflects your confidence, of course, in your business and in your team, but it also reflects the confidence in the future of manufacturing in Connecticut. Confidence in our workforce, in our talent pipeline, in technology, as well as our ability to compete globally. As John mentioned, we do compete very well globally for the type of things we do well, which are highly complex. Manufacturing remains, as many of you know, one of Connecticut's greatest economic strengths. In 2025, manufacturing contributed $33 billion to the state's GDP at 4.3% growth rate. In 2026, that growth continues, and Connecticut is the second fastest growing state in New England region. And again, manufacturing is a key contributor. This success of manufacturing in Connecticut, as John mentioned earlier, does not come overnight. It is decades of investment, but it is also culture that's been honed, innovated on, and evolutionary in terms of the decades of inventions, investment, technology investment, and in our people. The workforce talent pipeline that we have here is able to address complexity and make it look easy. That provides us a sustainable competitive advantage when we compete globally. Connecticut manufacturers like Chapco compete on engineering and manufacturing and operational excellence. And that comes through investment in technologies that you see around you. Precision metal fabrication, machining, quality inspection, innovation, and also equipment that lends to increasing our productivity to make up some of the shortfall we have in human labor worldwide. Chapco's capability and expertise allows it to serve customers, as Brian mentioned, in critical, high growth sectors: aerospace defense, data, wind turbines, so on and so forth, electronics, medical technology, right? So this type of investment allows you to pivot where your customers want you to serve them. Every investment also, as you know, has a ripple effect across the state's economy. More career opportunities, stronger local and regional supply chain, greater competitiveness, and economic growth for our state. So on behalf of the state of Connecticut, thank you for your continued investment in our state, in your workforce, and our manufacturing future. Congratulations on this growth. Chapco's success reflects the best of Connecticut's manufacturing. Thank you.